What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. We back at it, like a crack at it. Another video in my room, because it's cold as fuck outside. It's cold in the motherfucker. It's cold in here. Alright, it's cold in here, so I know it's cold outside. But that's not what this video is about. It's a serious video, alright? It's gonna be a little bit of a more serious video today. Today I'm talking on the spiritual warfare, the World War III, the mental war, whatever you want to call it. It's a war. Alright, it's a war out here. This is the World War III, and this war is not going to be fought with guns. It's not going to be fought with rifles. It's not going to be fought with swords. It's not going to be fought with any of that shit. What it's going to be fought with is the mind and the soul. Alright, the soul is the prize. The soul is what the elites want from us. It's our soul. I'll speak on it a little bit, but if you didn't know by now, you are an infinite spiritual being living a temporary lifespan. Yes. Everybody is God in their own way, correct? So you create your own reality. You know, you can create life, and you can create your own reality. You can create what you do and what you see, all right? Your thoughts are just projecting on a screen in the fourth dimension, okay? You just don't realize it, all right? So I'll make a whole video about that. You are God. I'll make a whole video about that. That's why it's crazy. Oh, Corona, all this shit is so crazy. It's crazy, and all these crazy things are happening because they want you to be distracted, okay? Because the weapon that us chosen ones will use during this war is our vibration. That is the weapon we shall use, right? You will need to raise your vibration from the 3 lower chakras to the 3 higher chakras, okay? So you need to ascend past that root chakra. The root chakra is what most people are living in today, okay? From eating meat, from having low vibrational emotions like depression, anger, fear, other low vibrational emotions. That's what keeps you in your root chakra. And then your sacral chakra, and there's your sacral chakra, and then there's your solar plexus. I'll make a whole video about the chakras as well. But that's what you're gonna need to do. That is the most important, is to raise your vibration and raise yourself through those lower chakras. The heart chakra is a bridge between the 3 lower chakras and the 3 higher chakras. So in order to ascend, in order to really live your life like how you're supposed to and protect yourself, you will need to raise your vibration and raise yourself out of those 3 lower chakras. What do I mean as in protect yourself? Because I said this is a spiritual war, correct? Okay, so there is 5G. There's diseases, not just corona. Nah, there's actual diseases out here, okay? The vaccines are giving us diseases, okay? These people are trying to give us vaccines that give us diseases. They're putting 5G up, you know what I'm saying? Yesterday, I saw some people, messing with the utility post. Who fucking knew? With that, I don't know if they're putting up 5G. I don't know if they were fixing it. The Wi-Fi was fine that day. I don't know. But I gotta protect my energy. I gotta protect myself, and that's what this is all about. Protecting yourself, right? Think of your aura as a shield against all this bullshit that's happening in our daily lives. That's why you gotta start eating healthy. Fruits, vegetables, rice, beans, stuff like that. You gotta only put that shit in your body, bro. Because you put lower vibrational food in your body, you put snacks, you put cakes, you put all this donuts, pizza, all this low vibrational food inside your body, that will become you. You are what you eat. They say that for a reason, bro. It's not cap, okay? You are what you eat. So you have to start putting higher vibrational foods in your body if you want to protect yourself. The earth is splitting into 2 different realities. One reality is staying into the 3rd dimension, and one reality is staying into the 4th, ascending. One reality is ascending into the 4th dimension. That's why you're starting to see planets. The planets are going to align. The planets are all going to align together. Earth is actually raising its vibration by aligning its chakras. So you, my friend, need to do the same thing. And that's That's a way how you can ascend into the fourth dimension. That's why motherfuckers are starting to see ghosts. Motherfuckers are starting to see spirits, because these entities are going more and more into the fourth dimension. So you might be able to connect with your spirit guide more, yeah, but at the same time, you need to protect yourself, because you might have a motherfucking succubus, or you might have a motherfucking incubus, or you might have like just lower vibrational entities that might want to control you and might want to take your energy. Energy is the prize, the soul is the prize, bro. You need to watch out. It's a mental war, okay? So you really need to get on your shit, man. You really do. Because if you don't, man, it's over, man. It really is over. I don't know how, I don't even want to think about how that third dimensional Earth is gonna look like, okay? I don't even want to think about it. You shouldn't even want to think about it either. You should just be on your shit. That's it. Don't even think about it, right? You can't focus on the news, and you can't focus on all this bullshit that's going on, bro. Honestly, get off of social media. Get off of any of that. Get off of all that shit, right? Meditate and clear your mind out. Because when you watch social media, that's putting shit in your mind that you don't even need. When you meditate, it's clearing your mind out so you can think more clearly, and it raises your vibrational and your physical body, both financial. Alright, we talking about financial shit here, but we ain't talking about financial shit right now. Alright, that's two third dimensional. We talking about the fourth, right? So you need to get these three things in check, right? You need to get these three things in check, and because if one's lacking, then they're gonna attack that. Okay, dude, they are trying their hardest because they know what's gonna happen. They know the Earth is about to ascend. They know the planets are about to align. They know we're about to get into a higher dimension, and they know they're about to lose, okay? That's why all these agendas are happening. Like every day, every hour, every day, some agenda is happening. If you go on your phone and you go to the news section, you just see like fucking agenda after agenda after agenda after agenda. Why do you see that? Because they know what's gonna happen. They know the chosen ones are about to rule. And they know that it's time's up for them. All right, time's up for them. Yeah, bro, you gotta get your mental, spiritual, and physical in check. So you gotta start, working out, going out. And I don't mean like you don't gotta go crazy with it. Just go out for walks, go out into nature. You know what I'm saying? You stay in your crib all day, and you go into your car, and then you drive. Like that's not good for you. You gotta get out in nature. You gotta do your thing. All right, so. Gotta get your spiritual body in check. You gotta start meditating. You gotta start doing these practices. You gotta start putting them in your daily routine. You gotta get your mental body in check. You gotta start seeing what you say to yourself in your mind, because you gotta remember what you believe or what you focus on will create your reality. So if you keep saying you're depressed, you keep saying you're sad, then you're gonna get a reflection of that in your reality. If you keep saying if you say you're happy, if you say I'm positive, you gotta get affirmations. You really gotta start taking care of yourself. And that's what this video is really all about, just taking care of yourself. Because if you take care of yourself, you're good, bro. You're good. You don't gotta worry about this shit, okay? I guarantee you, if you run every single day, all right? If you run 3 times a week, you won't get coronavirus. You won't get coronavirus, all right? You're good. If you take black seed oil, you won't get coronavirus. And that's another thing. You gotta look into these natural remedies that can help your body out, right? So black seed oil, ornaments, haritaki, you gotta start get all that shit, man. You gotta prepare yourself, cause shit's only gonna get worse from now. Shit's only gonna get worse, dog. When this solar flare happens, when this solar flash happens, it's only gonna get worse. The sun is literally going to go out, and it's going to be 3 days of just cold. You know how in the Bible they said hell is going to freeze over? Well, this is hell. We're living, the third dimension is hell, okay? And it will freeze over because the sun will literally be out, okay? And this isn't gonna be my last video about this, because this is a very important topic, okay? This isn't gonna be my last video about this. I'm gonna make multiple videos talking about the spiritual warfare and trying to prepare. I know I have a small audience at this point, but I'm trying to prepare people, man. I'm trying to get y'all ready, because we gotta I gotta get as many chosen ones on board as possible. So yeah, take care of yourself. Do what you gotta do, man. Just take those extra steps. I promise, everything will pay off. At the end of this journey, at the end of this fight, it's all gonna pay off, baby. All good, right? It's all good, man. It's all good. So that's it for this one, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all resonated with the words I spoke on today. And see y'all in the next one. Free consultation on Instagram. That's at Dante Pepper. Peace out.